Thank you, sweetie girl. Thank you, Celine.
Welcome, Mama. Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome, Mama. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is 3:30, well 3:25 ng hapon pala. Today is Wednesday and it's public holiday in Brisbane kasi it's Eka Day today. So nandito kami lahat sa bahay. Daddy Mike has no work, Ate Paris also walang school. So naglinis kami guys since this morning, alam niyo ba? But it feels so good. The house looks cleaner. Hindi pa kami tapos. We're still doing it. Tonight kasi, yung friends namin pupunta dito. Kung naalala nyo, kasama namin sa Brisbane show the other day, sa weekend. They're coming here to celebrate Celine's birthday. So magdi-dinner kami. In-invite namin sila. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Excited na yung mga kids na makapaglaro ulit with their kids. And pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nagawa na namin dito. Tingnan nyo, while we were cleaning, yung mga kids naman ay hubot here, hubot there. So, andyan. Hindi naman siya madumi. Mess lang siya. Yeah, this is what it looks like now. Look, first time, oh, very dark. In the longest time na hindi namin inopen yung sliding doors na yan. But today has been a really good day, sunny and warm. So, inopen namin siya kasi nilinisan ko rin yung balcony. So, here are the two kids. Hi, Lynn. Do you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Welcome. Hang on. Welcome. Hi, pero tingnan nyo, nakasimhot sa didi ang bata. Nag-shower to siya kanina kasi pinakain ko ng yogurt. Niligo niya ang kanyang yogurt. My God, kang bata ka. Here's ate. Say hi, ate.
Hi.
Ang buhok niya, niliguan ko rin to siya, guys. Nag-shower din to siya. Hang on, sweetie girl. And tingnan nyo, nilagyan ko ng lana sa lubi. Coconut oil ang kanyang hair. Lutuin na natin ang kanyang hair. Kaya ganyan siya, very shiny. Kasi dry na dry yung hair nitong batang ito eh. Be, pakita, be. Show me your hair. Show me your hair. Up, sit down ba? Sit down. So, ganyan talaga kapag nilagyan mo ng coconut oil, guys. Oh. Ganyan. Mukha siyang, wet look. Yeah, yan. Fresh na yan silang dalawa. Itong ating baby Celine ay nagnap na. Tapos nagising, naglaro. At ngayon naku, nagdidi pa more. Didi pa more. Masakit pa yung isang ko guys, yung isang breast ko dito ba sa right. Kasi, ito siya kapag nagdidede, minsan, inaano niya yung kabila. Tapos, mahaba yung kuko niya siguro. Hindi ko napansin. But meron siyang scratch. Sobrang sakit kapag nagdede siya. So, hindi ko siya pinapadede dito. Punong-puno na. That's right. That one's got bubo. Don't scratch lagi. Look. See? Mama, this one got bubo. Mama, the bubo. Hang on lang. We'll just show Tita and Tita outside quickly. Come. Do you wanna show Mama? We'll go to the balcony. Come on. It's mine. It's mine. Come. It's mine. So, tingnan nyo. Oh, malinis-linis na siya. Diba? Ow! It hurts. Yan. So, clean the floor. Beautiful day in Brisbane today. Tingnan yung bata. Oh, what's going on? It hurts man, anak. Hurts. Go. Come on, let's go. Sit down. Ang sarap lang kapag ganito, guys. Oh, naka-open yan ba? Fresh air. Okay, Didi's here. See, they're watching, ano ba to, Barbie? And meron kaming, washing going on. Oh my God. What have you got there, Lini? What is that? What are you eating? Here. Here. Show? No. Show tita what you're eating. Nabihisan ko na yan siya, guys. Ang kanyang hair ay natay ko na rin. Ayan. Lalabas kami. Nakapag, ano din siya, oh, sneakers na. Pupunta kami ngayon ng grocery kasi may bibilhin kaming mga kailangan namin dito for tonight. So, it's currently 4:30 ata. 4:30-ish ng hapon. And they will arrive here. Actually, yung mga kids, tapos yung daddy nila, sila yung mauuna dito. So, they will arrive here at 6 o'clock. Tapos, si Amy, yung mom nila, kasi nagtatrabaho siya today, matatapos siya ng work. I'm not too sure what time. Pero sabi niya, nag-message siya sa akin earlier today na she'll get here around 6:45 to 7. Maglalaro muna yung mga kids while waiting for their mama. Yan, si Daddy Mike ay nagluluto na. Nag-start na siyang magluto ng kanyang recipe. Smells good already. Marasa lang lang. That matter. Paabi, ang paabi. Ang paa. Murag bakukang. Thank you, sweetie girl. Thank you, Celine.
Welcome, Mama. Welcome.
Welcome. Murag kurik kilala. Welcome, Mama.
Guys, look at me.
Sapan yan ako. Yung sapan yan ako.
Thank you. And guys, do I see my salon?
Salon?
Yeah.
Meron pala siyang salon.
Do I
Sana,
see
oh.
it?
Okay. Ramdam. We'll see at the Paris salon before we go to the park. The park? Shop. So, ayan. Beef buns. Yan yung lulutuin ni Daddy Mike. Ito yung kanyang soup. Ready na siya. Say hi to Daddy. You're having to say hi to my brother.
Hello.
Hi to our chef.
Huh?
Hi to our handsome chef.
Let's go.
Okay. Hindi pa na ano, oh. Tago, oh. But look, I'm super happy. We'll have a mess, but later on, there will be a lot of mess for sure.
Thank you, babe.
Hey!
This is
Okay.
my salon.
Okay.
This is
Wow.
my necklace. This is my hair brush.
Can you do my hair later?
Yes. Because I have a hairbrush.
That's good. Tingnan nyo, sobrang dami niyang. Uy, bilang bayad ni Belo sa inyo, nak? May Belo. Ganda, may mga corona and everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
where's my other crown?
Vaseline, sana all. Baka naman
Where's my
Vaseline.
other crown?
So, here's our pa-outfit. Very ano lang tayo, guys.
Let me choose.
Casual lang tayo.
My darling.
My darling. Ayan. Crop top to siya. Nice. And then, mag-ano lang ako, flats. Ayan na. So, dyan sa taas, guys. Nilinis namin dito. Si Ate Paris can play here later with her friends. And makakatulog na yan siya dyan mamaya. Kasi she's been sleeping in Mommy and Daddy's bed.
Me.
Yes!
Better.
Yes! Yung taas, kailangan ko pa siyang i-organize sa kabilang kwarto, guys. So, I've got heaps of boxes, bags. Yes, I've got bags. But this one, na-organize ko na siya. Look! It looks very neat.
It's you.
What's you? Ito yung newest additional sa ating collection. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. So, ito yung mga bags ko, guys. They are mixed. So, alam nyo naman, sa mga nakapanood na ng mga vlogs natin, yeah, I have mixed bags, original, and copies, like replica. So, ito, mga orig to yan siya lahat, mga Louis Vuitton. But the Chanel, yan yung mga collaboration na pinadala sa atin. Normally kasi, Chanel yung pinapadala nila sa, kapag nagko-collab tayo. This one also, yan, sa collaboration. But this one, like the Fendi, that Louis Vuitton there, Louis Vuitton here, and all that, they're all original. Yes!
Shoe.
Shoo, why did you take it off? Play. Ala, you can get up there man lang. Ganyan ang kanyang play. So, that's why, guys, nilalagyan din namin ng mga ganyan-ganyan dyan. Kasi ito siya ay Ga-cut-cut pa more. Literal cut-cut tong batang ito.
These were very...
See how you gonna get it up there?
It's a Lily.
Hmm?
Apa Lily, Mama?
Lily mermaid. Kaya nilalagyan namin ng ganyan, oh. Before, alam niyo yan siya? Ay, nikat-cut dyan sa taas. Tapos ito naka-on. Oh my God. Gihubag-hubagan ko. Lin! Tingnan niyo to kaat. Ginimataan niyo eh. Alala, musaka gid abisag na ay. Sarado. Come down na. La, daddy's waiting now. We're going to the shops. We're going to the shops. Punta kami ng Coles. Hold mama. Hold mama. This way. This side. Hey, girl. Okay. Hold. Go to daddy lang. Woohoo! Good girl! Buti na lang open sila guys hanggang 6 kahit na public holiday. Hi! Wow! You look so sporty, Ningling. You look so sporty, my sweet little girl. So cute. Okay, jump here. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Go, follow daddy, Nati. Go, go! Bili lang kami ng stick drinks for the kids. We'll do some spring roll maybe lang. And also rice. Bili ako ng rice. Oh, mama! I love you, Lini. This way. Tingin tayo ng cake dito. Lini, girl! The cake is here. Bot-bot naman kasi mong dalan, eh. Okay, actually, we need bread. Here lang. Nini, have a look at this. Yes? Oh, have a look at that. Pero hindi masiguro to siya fresh, eh. Ito na lang, nak. Oh. Nak. It's, ano ba to, nak? 640 or 6.
Mommy.
Oh, not this one. Not this one. Ahem, ahem. Oh, this is nice. Rainbow cake. But it's just us anyways. Hindi yan siya mauubos. Uy! Celine! Celine! Don't break that, please. Hey, do you want this? We're home now. Bumili ako nito, guys. Naubusan na kasi kami nito for the, diffuser. Mahal ito, ha? $17 ata. Ito lang, maliit. Lalagay natin sa diffuser. Para mabango ang bahay. Ano bang, nito, aroma? Harmony. So, ito yung mga pamilya. Ay, labas na pala ni Daddy Mike. So, ito yung favorite drink ni Daddy Mike. Ano pa ba dito? Ito. Ito yung mga napamili niya. Ayan. So, lulutuin niya lahat yan. Ngayon, so, alam niyo naman ang ating chef. Ito yung para sa mga adults. Tapos, pasta for the kids. Diba? Buti na lang talaga, guys, si Daddy Mike ay very hands-on pagdating sa kitchen. Kasi, mahirapan talaga ako kapag wala akong katuwang. Buti na lang, katuwang is katuwang talaga si Daddy Mike. That's working now. Tingnan nyo, may pa-steam na yun siya. Oh. Babango na yung bahay niyan. Tapos, sa bathroom naman, naglagay ako ng... ayas, kinubuhi sa bata, oy. Yeah. Wow! Diyan kami magdi-dinner. I-open lang namin to kasi alam niyo naman yung space namin to. Kaya hindi kami masyadong nag-invite ng mga tao over, guys. Kasi tinan yung space namin. Sobrang liit. So, we might just open these screen doors para maybe yung mga kids dito upo. Dito sila kakain. Here, naglagay ako ng kandila. Smells so good. Binili ko rin yan ngayon lang. I bought some rice. Magluluto ako ng rice. Some drinks. Chips. Para mamaya. Sprite. Ano to? Kandila. Another one. Para to sa bedroom. Airwick. And ito na lang yung binili kong cake. Yan. Sobra-sobra na to sa amin. Tapos, we have some watermelon. Yun lang ba? Ay, bumili ako nito para ng mga kids mamaya after ng dinner. Here. Yun yung excited na excited. Excited na excited si Inday.
And makeup.
Baby, show me your makeup. Tingnan niyo. Wala, ang kanyang makeup yung sa kanila. Ling-ling! Ay, sure siyang lobot. Tingnan, naubusan talaga ako ng bigas. Naubusan. Nang lubos, sinaktan mo ang puso ko. 5 kilograms. Bango-bango na niluluto ni Daddy na. Okay, mabigas na tayo for the next week. Alam niyo ba guys, sobrang saya ko kasi pagka-open ko kanina dito sa dito sa ilalim ba, kinalkal ko. Kahanap ako nito guys, my lord! Crema. Ito kasi yung mas, yung parang more milk ba. Yung akin kasi ngayon is original. Hindi ko masyadong bet. Ito yung pasok sa banga ko. Yan, nakikita ko. Inumin ko ito mamaya. Grabe. Ang kasiyahan ko ba? Sobrang babaw, no? 3-in-1 na coffee. Okay, magluto na tayo ng kanin. Dalawang baso lang siguro. Six o'clock na pero wala pa sila guys. And si Ate Paris ay every time nakakaloka. Since this morning. How many minutes now? How many minutes? Sabi ko, they will be here soon. Oh, 10 minutes. Narinig yun. Soon, honey girl. Maybe 2 minutes. Listen to the doorbell, okay? Listen to the doorbell. Right. Tingnan niyo ang cooking na Daddy Mike. Ayan. So that's alright. Hindi naman kakain agad-agad pagkarating. And Daddy Mike is very quick pagdating sa lutuan. So, tingnan niyo ang mga ingredients na Daddy Mike guys. Oh, bongga Daddy Mike. Hey, enoki, mushrooms. Ano ba ito? Coriander, bean sprouts, fried shallot, chili, lemongrass. Wow. Full of spices. Ayan guys. Lumiya ana. Uy, latab-latab raman.
This is the beginning.
Hello.
How are you?
Bye. Hi. Oh, Lini. Hi. You want to say hi?
Hello.
We have to eat dinner now. Come on. Where is Lini? Daddy cooked already. Come on, everyone's out there. We're eating. Lini girl. Tingnan niyo ang mukha, guys.
Mommy, no!
pumpkin? Tignan nyo, nilabas sa lahat. Gusto niya pumasok doon. You wanna watch pumpkin?
No.
We'll watch pumpkin.
Dad, not doing anything.
Have a look out. Oh, mommy is there. Ate Paris is there with Irene. Come on.
I'm playing. I'm playing.
You wanna play?
I'm gonna play.
Ito yun ang chef guys. Barista pa at the same time. Gumagawa siya ng coffee ng aming visitor. Alam niyo ba? Ay, iinumin ko rin ang aking coffee. Ito na ang pampasta ng gagawin. Everything's cooking. Luto na rin ang aking rice. Water. Is it boiled? Don't close the door for Mama! Tingnan nyo. Mermaids! Ala, bulingitan ako yung salog. Uy. Celine! How about you come here now? We're gonna have your cake. Cake! It's cake time. Come on. Tingnan nyo guys. Ala, dumi-dumi na naman. Wow! Mermaids!
I'm a real mermaid now.
Tingnan nyo, linis-linis kanina eh.
Mommy,
Ay, yan, come on, let's have a cake. Lini!
Get on this first, Anya. Get on first. Yes. Come on.
Lini! Lini! Celine! Lini! What's this? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, wait. Birthday to you. We'll do it on the table. Hang on, sweetie. Hang on. Lini, start. Lini, show Mama. It's okay. You're allowed. You're allowed because you're cute. Fine. Have a look at your face, guys. Yummy? Do you love it? What is it? Oh, Mama? Nakauwi na mga bisita, guys. Ang tingnan niyo ang mukha nito. Lini, look at Mommy, please. Oh my goodness. Here you've got here. We'll clean that all up. Thank you for cooking, Daddy. Thank you for cooking, Daddy. Lini, would you like to open your present? Alright, we'll do it here.
Okay.
Let Celine, okay? Because this is hers. Okay, you open? Okay, help her. Okay, Lini. Good girl, Ate. Just let her do the rest. Wow. Oh, Lini! Hindi ko pinunasan yung mukha niya, guys. Kasi I know na pag pinunasan ko yan, babalik rin. Mamaya na yan pag matulog na. Wow! What is that?
Three bears. Sleeping Beauty. Let's read a fairy tale about a young
Let her knock. Let her.
You
Ate.
read the story of Goodbye.
Goodbye. Push it lang.
Let's read a story
Bulingitan ni mulak. Oy!
This one is about the ugly
Tingnan nyo guys, ginawa kasi nilang ano yan salon, ang isang kwarto. Tingnan nyo ang mga mukha, nag-makeup, mga sulongkoy.
from all of his brothers and sisters.
Pag-shower ito silang dalawa ngayon. This is so cool. What do you say to your auntie and uncle? What do you say? Lini, what do you say? Apin. Okay, Mama, open. Can you say thank you? Auntie. This is not for me. This is from auntie and uncle. Okay, we'll open. Okay, Mommy, open. Okay. It is now nearly midnight. Kakalabas ko lang from our bedroom. So, tulog na yung mga kids. And, ito yung naiwan sa atin, guys. Yes. Yes. Earlier today, it actually felt so good seeing the house real clean. My God. But, sabi ko nga sa mama ko kasi nag-video call kami kanina na it takes minutes, at least 2 minutes, para maging messy yung bahay. But it takes forever to get it cleaned. Don't know why. Don't know why. We're going to do the cleaning now. And I have to get Ate Paris's uniform ready for tomorrow. May school siya bukas, guys. And that is just this. Tingnan nyo. Phone to more. Phone to more. So, yan. Lilinisan pa yan dyan siya. Malinis naman, guys. Oh. Yung floor. Pero, may mga mess na naman ulit. Especially sa kwarto. Oh. Pakita ko nga sa inyo, be. Ang hirap naman ito, eh. See, kanina, diba? Very clean. Look, mess everywhere. Ginawang salon ni Ate Paris kanina with her friends. Ginamit pa niya ang aking lawa na talaga naiwan. Dry shampoo. Ginamit niya. Ginamit ang mga ang tawag dyan, moisturizer. Ginamit pa niya ang aking, ano guys, ito nilayo ko na nga to. Kinuha niya ulit. Ang aking collagen eye cream. Yeah, these are the things that we're going to clean. Good Lord. I'll just do a quick shout out before we'll end the vlog. Before ako mag-start maglinis. Shout out to Rachel Pacana, Cyril Couple Vlog, Yet Balino, Imelda Dastas, Sweet Shy Kulit, Calisima, Lolita La Cuesta, Irene Aliperio, Carrie Faltiquera, Jancy Pinay in Australia, Mercy Narito, Luning Hermo, Maricar Castaneda, Giselle, Jamila Kawaja, Arlene Hover, Len Cortez, Angelina Ledesma, Mary Ann, Grisil Man Esin, and Lenny Langit. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye.